Hello guys, it's Karen. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hello. I'm so glad you clicked on this video. I am hoping by the end of it, you'll decide to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. And I'd love to get to know you, and I'm hoping you'll want to get to know me. So I have Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. It's actually an Ipsy versus Ipsy, but I'm not going to show you my first profile bag because I already have a video up about that. So I'm just going to show you the one that just came today. And my profiles are completely different, and I am getting completely different bags, but there is one downfall. So let's get into this. All right, now Ipsy is basically Boxycharm at this point, but I'm liking my bags. I don't always get them. I do pause them a lot, but I recently decided to unpause and get bags from both my profiles. So I got one repeat item in here, and oh, I forgot to tell you, it's $28 a month plus a $1.99 handling fee, and then you have your taxes. Okay, so let's talk about this because I just got this in Boxycharm, but I'm not mad at it because it's a Tarte product. It is their Sunrise palette. I believe Boxycharm said it was exclusively to them, which I guess would make sense kind of, sort of, because Boxycharm is now Ipsy and Ipsy is Boxycharm. So yeah, but the downfall is you're getting repeat items, and that may not make everyone happy. So anyhow, this is a Sunrise palette. I did use it on my eyes today, but I used the one I already had. So I'm going to show you what she looks like, and I'll put the value of her on the screen. I think it's like $30 or something like that. I think. I don't know. Anyway, she is super beautiful. Look. Yes. I feel like she could be good for fall or spring, to be honest with you. Okay, so let me show you the next item I got. Oh my gosh, in my shorts, I'm so sorry. I really thought this was a moisturizer. It is Alicia Keys brand, and it's called Soul Care. It's a nourishing cleansing balm. I cannot wait to try this later on tonight, but I really thought it was a moisturizer, and I'm apologizing because it's not. Not even close. Not even a little bit. That is a balm. And I cannot wait to dig into it and see how well it works. So stay tuned for that. Okay, let's move on to the next item, which I did use and smells super yummy. It's called Hey Honey Sweet Treat Wild Berry and Honey Yogurt Recovering Mask. Did make a difference in my skin, and I had it on for about 20 minutes. I enjoyed it. I'm definitely going to be using it again. Okay, so is that it? I'm getting to last product already. Eyeshadow palette, cleanse. Oh, no. There's two more items. And I also have it on my face. The KVD Cream Good Apple Skin Perfecting Foundation Balm. I don't know why it's called that. Anyway, this is the shade Light 021. I do have it on, and it's okay. Like, I don't know how to explain it, but cream foundations for me, they don't look flawless on my skin. They never look flawless. So I'm not completely sold, and I know it was a viral product, but it's all right. Like, I can see, I don't know, I can see my pores accentuated in some areas, and I don't know, if you tried this, have you, maybe it's me, maybe I'm just crazy, I don't know, but it's not something I'm going to be reaching for, let's put it that way. Okay, and the last item, Misho Beauty, I think it is. This to me just looks like a cheap eyeshadow palette. And I can't be mad at it though. But yeah, it's one of those cheap cases, and it's got two shimmers. It looks like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 mattes, and they seem okay. I mean, I want to swatch them for you guys, but to be honest with you, I probably am not going to use this palette. I'll probably pass it on to someone else, but I can't be mad at getting it. So that is what I got in my Ipsy bag. Let's recap. We got this eyeshadow palette. I will put prices on the screen for you, I promise. Good Apple Cream Foundation. The Hey Honey Sweet Treat Mask. The Alicia Keys Soul Care, or Keys Soul Care Cleansing Balm. And the Tarte palette. Overall, I'm really happy with this bag. I hope nobody's mad at me for being happy with it. No, I'm just kidding. All right, so that's everything in here. Like I said, I'll put the total value on the screen. I do want to hear your thoughts. And it was completely different, so my profiles are working. I'm loving that. I don't know why. I love that. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. I appreciate you guys more than you possibly know. I cannot wait to catch up with you. I've been working a second job, so I'm busy like 80 hours a week now. It's kind of crazy. But anyhow, and I'm a full-time mom. So I'm hoping you're enjoying my videos, and I'm so sorry I haven't uploaded in a while. I do miss you guys, Kitty, Stacy, all of you. I just love you so very much. Can't wait to talk to you in the comments, and I'll see you real soon in another video.